I'm Ashley Headland. I'm here with Viki Schrager, and we're here to talk about personas. Viki, what are personas?
Well, personas are a powerful design tool which help us better understand our users and their users' needs. Essentially, a persona is a fictional character created to represent different user types within a targeted demographic and or behavior set that might interact with your site, your brand, or a product in a very similar way. In most cases, personas are created from the data that we've collected, either via survey and or some sort of on-site interview. And essentially, once we've gathered that data, we can then tell a story that is representative of that user type. And it more clearly describes their behaviors, their patterns, their goals, their skills, attitudes, and even their environment. And at this point, because we better understand our users, we're then able to better and more deeply understand what motivates them, what their expectations and goals are. And we can make decisions around those expectations in terms of the site's functionality and also the design.
So aside from understanding the audience, are there other reasons to leverage personas?
Definitely. We want to use personas to aid with the overall project planning. They're really great in helping us to be able to define a feature set and then also prioritize those features for a given user. They're also great for copy development and making sure that we're setting the right tone when we are developing copy. Personas are great at the end of a project to evaluate your solutions. They're great inputs for user testing and also quality assurance. We also leverage personas, believe it or not, to support the release of a product. So for documentation, for training, obviously sales and marketing. And then finally, I would say for communication across both teams. So here at Verndale, we use them to build consensus around who we're designing a particular product for, and then also with our clients, making sure that we're all speaking a common language, and we have a full understanding of who we're really ultimately designing for.
So what is the goal of developing a persona?
Well, essentially, it's pretty simple, really. The goal is to enable us to build a product that solves a real problem and leaves an emotional response with our users. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that we're really connecting with them. And in our opinion, if you could do that at the end of the day, then you've done a successful launch.
Great, thanks.